In today's world, technology is everywhere, and it's changing how we live, work, and create. But what makes smartphones, cars, robots, artificial intelligence, and other advanced machines functional? Sensors. We are surrounded by all types of sensors, and we make use of them every single day. But what exactly are sensors? Sensors are like the senses of machines. Just as humans use eyes, ears, and touch to understand the world around them, sensors allow robots and machines to see, hear, and feel their environment. In robotics, sensors help machines recognize objects, navigate spaces, and make decisions. In smart manufacturing, sensors collect real-time data from machines, monitoring everything from temperature and speed to product quality. This helps factories become more efficient. Together with artificial intelligence, sensors create a connected system that can automatically adjust and optimize processes that make work smarter, safer, and faster. Understanding how sensors work and which type to use is critical in comprehending technologies that make today possible and build tomorrow. At El Camino College, we offer programs and certifications that will provide you with a complete understanding of sensor technologies. Don't deny yourself a better tomorrow. Enroll at El Camino College today.